Hey there, have you ever wanted to create a portfolio project with the help of creating web apps? Or have you ever wanted to create a portfolio project that involves using machine learning algorithms? Isn't this both ways of creating portfolio projects are interesting? Yes, I know that they are interesting. But now, what if I say you can create a portfolio project that involves creating a web app and also involves using a machine learning algorithm? Isn't that great? Yes, it is. Combining two different streams and making into a portfolio project is an interesting thing to work with. So here I am, and in the next video, I will show you how to create a cool portfolio project that involves using creating a web application and also using our machine learning algorithms too. So all you need to do is just subscribe to my channel and wait for the notification. Stay tuned.